Hey guys, this is Altaf from Altaf Classes. I welcome you all to the session on list in HTML. Let's have a look at agenda for this session. So first we are going to see what is list. List is actually when you go to market, before that you make a list. That is a list. So after that we will see type of list. In type of list, unordered list. After that order list, definition list, and in the last we will see nested list. So what is the unordered list? Unordered list is nothing but there is no particular order. So as you can see, memes, food, coding, there is no particular order. So let's implement this unordered list. So let me open the notepad. So we have seen in the last video how you can write the structure of the HTML. So doc type, then HTML, after that HTML tag, this wrap the content, whatever the content will be present. Inside HTML tag we are going to write give the heading tag, head. This is your opening and closing, and after that body tag. So inside head tag I am writing title of the page, web page. This is your closing title, and the name of the title is list demo. So save this one, Control S, and I am going to give list, and the extension should be ht.html. So I have saved this one. Let's open the file list. So as you can see, this is your title, list demo. So now it's time to build the unordered list. So I am going to give the heading first, and heading is your h2 type, h2 type. So inside heading I am writing unordered list. Unordered list. Inside unordered list I am going to give the city's name. Okay. For unordered list we need a tag ul, unordered opening and closing unordered list. And for the item present in a list is called list item. For that the tag is li. So li opening tag and li closing tag. So copy this one, Control C, Control V, and last one Control V. So I'm going to give the city's name. So first is Bangalore, then Hyderabad, then Chennai, and then Delhi, and last Mumbai. So save this one and refresh. So as you can see, this is your unordered list, city's name, and Bangalore, Hyderabad, Chennai, Delhi, Mumbai. Now I want some horizontal line. So for horizontal line the tag is hr, and then is /. There is no, let me save and refresh this one. So you can see the horizontal line. So let me align this one. Yeah, now it's time for order list. So let's switch into the presentation. So what is the order list? Order list is a specific order. There is a specific order. see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 some specific order. So this is your order list. So for order list, let me copy all this thing. Control V. Oh, I forgot to copy this one. Just I select Control C, Control V. So okay, so this is your order list. I'm going to write the ordered list, or in order list I'm going to give the fruits name. So for this one the tag is OL, order list, and closing is also OL. So this is your Bangalore. So let me write the mango, apple, banana, then watermelon, melon, and last papaya. Can save this one and refresh. So as you can see, this is your order list: first, second, third, fourth, and fifth. Now I want to add one more list. So list item, inside list item I'm going to give the fruit name as a kiwi, and save this one and refresh. So as you can see, then the order change 6. So now I want to order this one is in alphabet A B C D, not numerical. So for this one you have to go in the order list, and this one tag and type is equal to A. Now capital A I want, and refresh this one. So see, this is all your character. Now I want a small a, there's a list, refresh this one. So this is your ABCD. Yeah. Now I want in Roman. For Roman, capital I. So 1 2 3 4. If you give a small I, see the. So this is your first, second, third, fourth. Okay. Now the default is 1 2 whatever. So now I want this one is, I want to start from, I have some fruits name, I want to start from 20. So I've given the starting is your 20. So see, it is your 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. So you can change the, you can add the attribute. So let's switch to the presentation. Now it's time to definition list. Definition list is nothing but name and definition pair. As you can see, bank, a place to store, this is your, and this here is a indentation. Here there is a tab space, grocery store. So let's implement the definition list. So this one, unordered list, order list done. Now I want definition list here. So let me, this one is, yeah, it's done. Now it's time to definition list, or definition list opening tag, definition list closing tag. Inside definition list I want, there is two types of tag inside a definition list. First tag is definition term and definition description. So in this one definition term I'm going to give name as a bank, and definition description DD, tag name is DD. So right here, a place to store, a place to store and withdraw money. So refresh this one. So as you can see, this one, a place to store and withdraw money. So this will become, and this is your, so I want to give the heading as H1, H1, and this is your definition list. Okay, and I also want the after definition list a line, horizontal line. So for that the tag is HR, and see again I am going to refresh this one. So as you can see, definition list, bank, a place to store and withdraw money. Now I'm going to add one more definition list. For that, definition term is India, and definition description. Definition description is your India is a country in South Asia. India is a country in South Asia. South Asia. Refresh this one. So you can see this is your, so give me one space after this one, save this one, and definition list. So this is your definition term and this is your definition description. So let's dive into the presentation. Is your last is nested list. So nested list is actually list inside a list. This is your order list inside this unordered list. So let's implement this one. So I'm going to give the heading opening tag, heading closing tag. Inside this one I'm going to give the nested list. So for that, first I'm going to give the order list. Inside order list, unordered list I'm going to write. So unordered list. So order list, then list item. Copy this one, Control C, so inside list item, if you go to supermarket, first you want a chocolate, then you want some cookies, and then after that you want some sweets and vegetables, and in the last you want some dry fruits. Inside vegetables you want some more vegetables name. For example, you want unordered list. For this one you unordered list. Inside unordered list you have to write the list item. So here, so inside vegetables I want, in vegetables as potato, tomato, and then cauliflower, and in the last brinjal. So let me open this one page as a brinjal. Refresh this one. So as you can see, this is your nested list. Chocolates, there is also chocolates, cookies, sweets, vegetables. Inside vegetable, unordered list: potato, tomato, cauliflower, brinjal, and this is your dry fruits. Now I want some these vegetables as a bold. For bold, we have a tag that is your strong. Opening tag and closing tag, strong closing tag. Refresh this one. So you can see this vegetables is a bold. Now I want this sweets as a italic. For italic, the tag is EM, emphasized and save this one and run. So as you can see, this is your sweets. So let's me summarize. So first we have seen an order list, then definition list and nested list. So let me switch into the presentation. Hopefully you enjoy this session. If you have any doubt, please let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Have a nice day. We'll meet you in the next session.